Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So now in today's video we have a special collaboration and it's called Sophisticated Saturdays, and that's being hosted by Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. We are also better known as the Ladies of Elegance. Now, I'm also so happy to announce that we have a guest host today, and his name is Daniel, and he comes from his channel, Second Chance Love. So now the theme for this month is Summer Ends, Back to School. I'm going to be linking the host and the guest host down below in the description box along with the channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how we ended summer and began school. Also remember to click that like button because every time you do, this helps me to grow. And then comment below because I would love to hear from you. So with this theme, I totally embraced the idea of doing a tablescape for little people. Now I am outside in my enclosed porch, and I decided to go ahead and put around the railing some signs that said classroom rules, stay on task, and things of that nature. And then I went ahead and I decorated this table, and it reminds me of when my kids were young. This was absolutely fun for me, and Daniel, thank you so much for the theme idea. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I put this dining experience together for my little ones. So starting over here with the tablecloth I thrifted at the Goodwill. Now at Home Goods, I got that lantern at a reduced price. That was a great buy. And then we went into the Dollar Tree. So starting over here with the table, the tablecloth I thrifted from the Goodwill. And then that lantern I got at a reduced price at Home Goods. That was a great buy. And all I did was place some puzzle pieces in there and place some flowers, and that lantern looks absolutely gorgeous. Now it was time to take a visit over to the Dollar Tree to pick up the rest of the items. So what I did is we hit the teacher section first, the teacher's corner, and I got one of the maps, which I have on the table, as a runner. Then we got the class rules that we place along the rail of the my enclosed porch. Then we went over to the plastic section, to where they have the Tupperware and the dishes, and I was able to get these children's plates with the utensils. That was such an awesome buy. And then of course we couldn't forget the drinkware. So now you know we light the candles and we're almost ready to go to the reveal, guys. I cannot wait. Oops, I couldn't forget the crayons. Okay, let's display this, guys. So I just want to take a moment and thank the guest host, Daniel from Second Chance Love, for hosting this collaboration with the Ladies of Elegance. If you guys don't know Daniel, head on over to his channel. Again, I have his channel link down below. Go over there and show him some love. I am so happy with how this all turned out. I think the tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll see you next month for Sophisticated Saturdays. Guys, just like I always say, have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one.